Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on another episode from Jimmy's Alpine Clock Shop. Now today I'm showing you a little bit behind the scenes. This is a grandfather clock, 9 tubular bell mechanism. Isn't that spectacular? Now what I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm going to make a suggestion that you watch the Colonial, the antique grandfather clock, and you'll be able to see what this type of clock looks like in a case. So this one's about to go off. Okay. So see the hammers moving? So that's playing a Westminster melody. And then right there, that's striking the hour on the left-hand side. Isn't that fabulous? You can see the gears moving. Isn't that a great mechanism? So just want to show you a little bit behind the scenes. What we do is after we repair a clock, we test it. Like you hear the cuckoo in the background. We want to make sure that when the clock gets put back into the case, it doesn't stop. So this one will probably be tested for about 2 weeks. And you can see the pendulum swinging back and forth. Sorry about all the reflection of the workshop. There's a lot going on back here. The weights. Now the weights, if you haven't watched any of our other videos, the one in the center, that one runs the time. So you have to wind up all 3 weights so they can do their job. The one on the left strikes the hour, and the one on the right, which is a little bit heavier than the left and the center, that one is for the chiming. So when you wind up a 3-weight, 2-weight, or 1-weight clock, there's a purpose why they get wound up every day or every week. So this is an 8-day clock, so you would wind it once a week. Let's see if I can get to this side. It might be a little bit hard. Seeing all the gears back there. Gorgeous mechanism. Looks like this has gone through an overhaul, nice and shiny. Basically gets it back to almost to where it was when it was brand new. And then what you do is you just service it every 3 years, and then you'll have it for a lifetime. So behind the scenes at Jimmy's Alpine Clock Shop Workshop. If you have any questions, just leave us a comment below. Take a look at all of our other videos so you can see a little bit about different types of clocks and different brands. And thanks for giving us a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye.